Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the breast cancer prediction using machine learning. So that complete project developed using Python programming language and Techie is used for the developing user interface. So model will take time to load. Now the user interface open. So let's check out one by one. Patient details. Enter the patient ID. Let's enter the ID. Name, gender, age, phone number, disease, blood group, check-in, doctor name and address. So I'm just entering all those demo detail. SQLite 3 is used for the database, like storing all the data. Doctor name, and address. Then click on the add button. Okay, so data got stored in the database. Now you can search from the patient ID. Like I'm just searching one. Patient name, Yash. Then click on the search button, and if you click on show all, then it will fetch all those details. Like you can also search from the phone number. Like I'm just entering my phone number and click on search button, then it will search it. Okay, so you can also update the details. Like I'm just update, yeah, and data updated successfully. You can also delete the details. Let's click on the breast cancer model. It will take a bit time to load. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI neural network. Yeah. Now we have to enter all the detail like clump thickness, unit cell size, unit cell shape, Mark Edinson, single epith cell size, like all the detail, and it will like breast cancer not found in that patient. User have to enter all the inputs, and according to the inputs, model will predict that the patient have the breast cancer or not. You can also add the details, and yeah, this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.